hi guys! Today is ang unboxing day again. Tcharan! Big tummy. I just finished to eat. This is for makeup. Ayan. You know, oh. It's nice, huh? Okay. Because I become better in makeup. So, I'm buying now for makeup. Become better. And this is all makeup brush. Diba? Now I can buy. Become good and good. This one. This one, look for this. That one is straight. The other one is with design. Curve. This one is straight. Oh, see? Makeup. Upside down. Boy, turn me inside out. My God, it's big, ba? Yes. Oh my God, I like, but it's big. Maybe it has here. It has adjust. I adjust. Yeah. I look like a princess. Duh. Yeah. My order is late. I ordered that since last year. But diba, celebration. They come late. It has bad design here. I know. It's like that. Inside out. Kiss me to the bone. See you later on. Baby, kiss me to the bone. See you when I get home. Big I just shower, you see. No makeup, no filter. I'm shy, I'm always using filter. So today I didn't use filter. Maybe somebody will say, I use filter because I'm ugly. Oh my God, even we do face-to-face, I'm not ugly. Even we meet today, when I woke up. Kiss me to the bone. Oh my God, the quality is good, The design. Where's the tali? Ay, here pala. But I will not try. I will try later. Because I have to fix the bucket. Upside down, boy, turn me. Turn. I know you. It's like that. Okay, that's all my order. It's nice also, but spaghetti. But okay, that's all my order. Thank you. Bye bye. See you next.